when people go to specialists called nutritionists who prescribe them a format of eating basis either their disease condition or basis their goals. For example, somebody wants to lose weight, somebody wants to become more muscular, somebody wants to, maintain better blood sugars. So basis that you have a specific dietary requirement. However, if you look at our old traditional sciences and our old traditional medicine, one of the things that was extremely important, which we are not talking about much in modern day, is the concept of eating very mindfully, the concept of setting a pace for eating, where you remember that eating was a ritual. People would sit down on the floor, take a shower, sit down. Somebody would serve them food, and food would happen in courses, and it would happen as almost like a ritual. And that changed quickly because we moved into a very fast-paced life. We were eating on the go. So the mindfulness that was attached to eating somehow took a back seat. So I thought that's one thing, as Nazneen suggested, that we should be talking about. So the first thing that I would like to ask you, Nazneen, is that what is the physiological impact of eating in a mindful way? How does it affect the human health in a big way?
One is mindfulness is actually came from a very Buddhist concept and also a very Indian concept, because it was a ritual. Now, when one eats mindfully, I just to make it a little more interesting, I just got some props. So here is a box of farsan, and if I open it and if somebody starts to eat it just like that, okay, within some time, and especially if I'm watching Netflix or I'm watching Prime, this dabba is over much faster. Much before I know it. So I have actually mindlessly finished this without putting any thought to what I'm eating. Vis-a-vis, when one looks at mindful eating, and you asked about the physiological changes, mindful eating is always eaten with more awareness. So instead of eating it directly from here, I would portion it in a small bowl and then eat it. What this would do is also reduce the quantity of food. Okay, because we know over a period of time when we eat large meals, also the gastric lining stretches and our need for eating more food increases. Okay, so that directly impacts more on the way we eat. So more food eaten is more calories means weight gain. Weight gain, we know, has a lot of implications, right from high blood pressure to diabetes to a whole lot of challenges. So definitely putting a little thought to eating is very, very important.